It's day 6 of painting the national animals from around the world, and today's country is Iran, whose national animal happens to be a cheetah, my favorite. Wanna join me? This was kind of a fun one for me because my grandparents on my mom's side were from Iran. They were Assyrian, making me half Assyrian. Assyrians are one of the oldest civilizations in the world, dating back to 2500 BC in ancient Mesopotamia, making them the indigenous people of that region. Up until 1935, Iran was known as Persia. Also, Iranians are not Arabs, they're Persian, and they speak their own language of Farsi, or Persian. Poetry is very important to the culture too. Iranian poetry dates back more than 2,500 years, with Persian literature being among the oldest written texts. As for the cheetah, it's my favorite animal. There were a few national animals possible for Iran, so I chose my favorite. Apologies if you wanted the Asiatic lion or the nightingale. I just love cheetahs. Oh, and speaking of which, the Asiatic cheetah is a critically endangered cheetah only surviving in Iran. Its head and legs are smaller than the African cheetah, but its neck is stronger and they have thicker fur too. And that's my cheetah. Show me yours.